Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director, and I'm so excited to bring you this video today because we're going to be talking to a community that doesn't necessarily get to share its voice that often. So in today's video, we have a special guest named Seth who's joining us, and he is part of the trans community. Thank you for joining us, Seth. Hi.
Hi, thank you for inviting me. I'm Seth. My pronouns are he, him. I've been on testosterone for a year and 3 months, and before testosterone, I never really struggled with acne or even like greasy skin, and now it's just like out of control. I've tried multiple products and nothing's worked for me.
Got it. So fortunately enough, you were able to send a couple of your concerns over to me beforehand, so I was able to send you some product, and we'll get to talk a little bit about some ways that you can address some of those concerns. Now, for sure, I definitely know your skin is probably going through a lot of changes. With hormonal changes, definitely come changes in the skin. So you said you've seen an increase in oil production. Are you breaking out any extra or?
Oh yeah, because I never even had blackheads before I started testosterone, and now it's just like constant little ones, and then I can't help but pick my face, and then they just fester.
Okay. But let's jump right into the skincare routine first. Okay, so the first product that you're going to want to introduce into your routine is a cleanser. So naturally that's to clean your face, right? So this is a really fun one from Ulla Henriksen I sent your way, but I picked this one specifically for you because it's really going to help to control your oil. You talk about, since you've been on the hormones, your oil production has been overdrive. This is really going to help to slow that down. Now this is called Find Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser. And you can see right here that it has a green fusion complex, neem seed oil, and AHAs, okay? Neem seed oil and AHAs are really great for kind of gently softening any hard excess skin buildup on the top of the skin, and also for slowing down oil production. Okay, so next up, you definitely talk a little bit about pore congestion, correct? Like you've been noticing some blackheads and breakouts here and there.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about that. Do they tend to manifest themselves in a particular area, or is it sort of all over the face?
Yeah, so a lot of them is like in my beard area, and those are really hard to get because they hurt really bad. And then I have blackheads on my chin and like around my nose area.
I could see where that would happen because the skin in those areas is starting to change, right? Like producing a beard means the hair follicle is starting to activate, and oftentimes with that can come even more congestion and whatnot. So I did include a product to really help with this for you. All right, this is going to be from Saturday Skin. It's the 10% glycolic acid and pore control complex. Now I'm giving this to you because I think you could probably use this in 2 different ways, Seth, okay? So traditionally, most people use it like a toner. Really what a toner is designed to do is help to reset the pH of the skin after you wash it. Now, you being concerned about congestion through the nose area will really benefit from this because it's got alpha hydroxy acids, which will exfoliate the top layers of skin. And then I think the second way that you might use this is around the beard area post-shave. Now, it's really easy to use. I think we should try this out now. Do you happen to have some cotton rounds kind of like this? So you're basically going to take a little cotton swab or a little cotton tip and pop it right in and grab some of the product. Now, what's cool about having the cotton swab is that you can really target the toner. So if you want to put it like around the crook of your nose there and into the tip of your nose.
Yes.
How does it feel to you?
It just feels very, it kind of gives me like a little stinging sensation, but like I genuinely like that. So like that doesn't make a lot of sense.
That's good. No, that's good. That means it is working. This is a really great product for you, and I think you should definitely incorporate it to your routine morning and night, for sure. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Now, you mentioned to me that sometimes you've been getting, you said especially around the beard area, you get really like nodular, almost like cystic breakouts.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
They hurt.
Yeah, the ones that are under the skin are always the worst. Like totally, I can definitely relate. So I always reach for Kate Somerville. This is called Eradicate. And this is a really cool acne spot treatment. Now, be sure to keep it held straight up and down like that. You can see it's like pink, right? Yeah. That pink that's in the bottom is 10% sulfur, which is gonna help to gently exfoliate the blemish and encourage the blemish to come to the surface, and then also slow down oil production. Now, the second thing is that this one is also infused with camphor. Now, camphor numbs or helps to dull the pain slightly. So now the application technique of this is gonna be pretty simple. You're gonna take another cotton bud, a clean one. Do not shake this product, leave it separated. You're gonna take the cotton bud and go straight down into the solution, all the way down into the sulfur. So through the clear liquid into the sulfur, and then you can go ahead and put this on wherever your spot is.
Ooh, okay, so I have a question. I have one like super close to my mouth. Can I put it there?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, for sure. Now you wanna give your skin back nutrients. So if you wanna grab the Ordinary here, now this you're gonna use twice a day, morning and night, and it goes on clean skin. So once you've washed your face, everything, you don't really have anything on, and your skin is really in optimal condition, this is when you use this product, okay? So you're gonna take a little bit, you don't need a full dropper per se. You can take maybe 2 to 3 drops. I think 3 is probably good. And then you can actually work that through the hands gently, like kind of make a sandwich. So kind of make a sandwich here, and then you can kind of spread that around and then gently press that into the skin. It's basically just giving your skin, think of it like a protein shake, but for your skin. I think the serum is, for you since you are oily, I think the serum is probably gonna give you enough hydration, but I think to start, since you're already been pretty oily and you don't necessarily wanna feel a lot on the skin, I think we could stop with the serum and move on to an SPF, okay?
Okay.
So during the daytime, you're gonna wanna make sure that you're protecting your skin from the sun, okay? Sun damage is the #1 cause of aging. You don't wear SPF, do you wear SPF?
I hate sunscreen. I refuse to wear it. I like to be tan all the time, and I don't really burn, so.
Okay, well let me, well for one, you like to be tan. Are there any other reasons why you hate sunscreen?
No, it's literally just because I'm like, you're blocking my tan.
Well, it's important to know that you still will get tan through sunscreen slightly. Now, you wanna take, this here is from Ren Clean Skincare. So this is actually a Clean at Sephora product, which is really awesome. And it's a Clean Screen Mineral SPF 30. Now this is gonna use zinc to protect the skin from a topical standpoint. So think of it like a mirror on the face. But an added benefit of zinc is that it also helps to slow down oil production. So this is gonna, basically you're gonna be protecting the skin and you're gonna be mattifying at the same time. This one is really beautiful. Now at first you might notice that it's a little bit of a white cast, but as you continue to work it in, it's gonna completely disappear.
That smells really good.
Yeah, it's kind of like tea tree botanical kind of smell, right? Yeah, I love it. So next up, definitely on nights when you go out, this is really nice to carry with you when you're out and about. This is from Peter Thomas Roth, and it's the Max Anti-Shine Mattifying Gel. Now, this has been a tried and true grooming product for me for quite some time because it's really great for kind of absorbing excess oil, and it's translucent. So like if you put a little bit on the back of your hand, you'll see it's kind of like a little gel. Like you can't even really see it on camera so much. But then when you blend it in, what do you notice?
It's very smooth, I'll tell you that much.
Right, exactly. It's got that slip to it. Now that feeling, that sensation is actually the ingredient called dimethicone. And dimethicone is basically hollow and absorbs oil. So this you can kind of take and put it in the T-zone here, like around the nose or through the forehead or wherever. And again, you can kind of keep this with you to take with you for touch-up. So the last thing I want to talk about is really about what you're doing internally. The next product is really going to help to rebalance the flora and fauna that's growing in your gut microbiome. So this is a daily cleanse that you're going to use. This is from Hum Nutrition. It's called Daily Cleanse, and you're basically going to take 2 capsules daily. Now you can pick that with or without food, but as you start to build a routine, you're gonna notice the change, right? And that's the most important part, is like, use these products consistently and you will see a change.
Awesome. Cool? That's what I've been needing.
Well, all right, Seth, thank you so much. I really appreciate you hopping on. It means so much to me as a beauty director here at Sephora that we're able to help everyone find their beauty standard, right? So thank you for jumping on.
Well, thank you for having me, and I'm definitely going to incorporate this into everything that I've learned, so thank you.
Cool. So if you're looking to learn more and you want to find do more research, definitely check out our Bold Beauty series here on Sephora YouTube, where we're going to be talking about grooming. We'll talk about hairstyling and fragrances, all really geared towards the trans community. So we're definitely hooking you up with a whole library of resources. And then definitely check out sephorasands.com, where you can find out what we're doing for our classes of confidence, and really you can step inside of a store, meet with a beauty advisor, and get help specific to you. So until next time, if you have any more questions for me, or you just want to shout out your favorite tip from the video, drop that in the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe to Sephora YouTube. Until next time, enjoy. Bye.